Hey folks, we've got some exciting news coming in from Mars today. For the first time ever, scientists have discovered water frost near the equator of the red planet. Water frost near Mars' equator seemed impossible, we used to think. But here we are, witnessing it. These images were captured by the European Space Agency's ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter and Mars Express missions. Frost was spotted in a region of Mars equivalent to its tropics. This discovery could revolutionize our understanding of water distribution on Mars and its atmosphere, which is crucial for future manned missions. The discovery of this forbidden frost on Mars was made by Adomas Valentinus, a PhD student at the University of Bern, Switzerland. Adomas stated, "We thought it was impossible for frost to form around Mars' equator, as the mix of sunshine and thin atmosphere keeps temperatures relatively high at both surface and mountaintop. Unlike what we see on Earth, where you might expect to see frosty peaks. Its existence here is exciting and hints that there are exceptional processes at play that are allowing frost to form. The frost appears for a brief period around sunrise, then disappears as the sun shines down on Mars' equator. Despite being incredibly thin, covering each volcano's vast area, its water content could fill roughly 60 Olympic swimming pools. Incredible, isn't it? But here's the kicker. This water is constantly cycling between the surface and the atmosphere of Mars, happening each day, which lasts about 24.5 hours during the cold seasons of the red planet. This discovery was made in the Tharsis region of Mars, home to gigantic volcanoes including Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano on Mars and in the solar system. Adomas explains why this frost near the equator of Mars remained undetected until now. Firstly, we need an orbit that lets us observe a location in the early morning. While ESA's two Mars orbiters, Mars Express and TGO, have such orbits and can observe at all times of day, many from other agencies are instead synchronized to the Sun and can only observe in the afternoon, Adomas said. Secondly, frost deposition is linked to colder Martian seasons, making the window for spotting it even narrower. That means to spot the ephemeral frost, the team had to either know exactly where and when to look for it, or they had to get extremely lucky. We happened to be looking for frost near the equator for some other research, but didn't expect to see it on Mars's volcano tops, Adomas added. Finding water on the surface of Mars is always exciting, both for scientific interest and for its implications for human and robotic exploration, says Colin Wilson, ESA project scientist for both ExoMars TGO and Mars Express. Even so, this discovery is particularly fascinating. This exciting discovery might just shed new light on the mysteries of Mars. Scientists believe this frost could be a new key to unlocking Mars's secrets. Stay tuned for more discoveries in the future.